neural nets, recognizing the world, understanding how to navigate through the world. It kind of makes sense to put that onto a humanoid form. We think we'll probably have a prototype sometime next year. Tesla is much more than an electric car company, that we have deep AI activity, inference level, on the training level. I think arguably the leaders in real world AI as it applies to the real world.
A humanoid robot that'll be worth more than Tesla? Robots evading humanity? Are we talking about the near future? Welcome back to Elon Musk Tech, and today we'll talk about the Optimus robot, the new toy of Elon Musk that the wealthiest person in the world will definitely focus on after finally closing the deal with Twitter. What can you do with this robot, and how will it shape our future? Make sure to watch till the end of the video to find out. Recently, Elon Musk declared that the company is continuing to work on its humanoid robot Optimus, first unveiled last August. Here's what we know about Optimus so far. When announcing the great news about a robot, Musk brought an actor dressed in a bodysuit designed to look like the robot on stage and had him dance for the audience. Impressive? A bit of self-irony never damaged Elon. Maybe he's lowering down the expectation. Tech-wise, the Optimus robot will use the same chips and sensors used by the Tesla's vehicles. But still, it's a robot that will cover our human needs. Anything humans don't want to do, Optimus will do. It may be hard to imagine it, but as you see Optimus develop, we'll make sure that it's safe. No Terminator stuff or that kind of thing. How it's really going to transform the world to a degree even greater than the cars. I think we have a shot at being in production for version 1, hopefully next year. Eventually, the goal is to create a machine that could take care of dangerous, repetitive, boring tasks and drive labor costs down. Musk shared one odd example: going to the store and getting groceries. Yeah, we feel your pain. Essentially, in the future, physical work will be a choice. If you want to do it, you can, but you don't need to do it. Optimus will be designed in the same Tesla's manufacturing facilities, where it will be assigned more mundane assembly responsibilities. Optimus will use Tesla's existing entire self-driving computer, several cameras, and a neural net to perceive and respond to the world around it. The importance of Optimus will become apparent in the coming years. I was surprised that people do not realize the magnitude of the Optimus robot program. Those who are insightful or who listen carefully will understand that Optimus ultimately will be worth more than the car business and worth more than full self-driving cars. That's my firm belief. The first models of this bipedal robot are expected to arrive next year, though experts are skeptical about the timetable. Musk is known for giving too optimistic predictions. He's years behind schedule on delivering self-driving cars by 2017, and recently revealed that Tesla is not working on a $25,000 self-driving vehicle that he promised to launch in 2023. Luckily, Musk ranked Optimus as a higher priority, higher than other hotly anticipated Tesla products like the Cybertruck pickup and the Tesla Semi. Answering the most demanding questions, no, it won't pose a threat to humanity. Musk himself warned us about the dangers of artificial intelligence, so he's pretty aware of what we're scared of. He promised that Optimus was designed so that humans could outrun it or outpower it if something went wrong. Being 5 foot 8 inches tall and weighing 125 pounds, Optimus will be able to see eye to eye with many adult humans. Thankfully, Optimus won't have a human face. Instead, its head will be a display screen, though the screen could show a two-dimensional face if Tesla so chooses. His major joints like his knees, elbows, and fingers are made up of 40 electromechanical actuators, and they'll also sit at about the same height as your average adult human. This will allow the robot to carry out tasks in basic pre-existing environments. Optimus may be physically strong, able to deadlift 150 pounds and carry 45 pounds, however it won't be a speedy one. The robot will only be able to move at 5 miles per hour. Musk says you can run away from Optimus and most likely outpower it. The most likely part will sound a bit concerning for some, but not us of course. Although Optimus is built to serve as a general-purpose robot, early versions will have limited factory-based applications. Still, it has profound implications for the economy, given that the economy at its foundational level is labor. Some, however, remain pretty skeptical about Musk's new creation. Gary Marcus, an AI researcher, says, after years of effort, Tesla has not even come close to reliably solving one relatively simple task: driving. To claim that a robot that has never been shown publicly will solve all of the human tasks in the next year or two is preposterous. We won't call Musk a liar, but a huge optimist. We're pretty aware that other companies have been trying to create a humanoid robot and take over human work for years. Yet, we've not heard a lick about why this could possibly work for Tesla. After all, it took Boston Dynamics 25 years of complex learning to build Atlas. Other auto brands like Honda, Toyota, and General Motors have also unveiled robot concepts in recent years, and they've barely landed. But what's the problem with finally building the damn machine? First, there's a question of whether or not a humanoid robot is actually the most efficient way to automate things. Then there's an issue with cost and scale. Who's the target customer for a robot that will take away the human work? The obvious answer is those who are doing hard work now, people who don't have enough money to outsource small tasks like doing the laundry or grocery shopping. Here's the price problem. Roomba alone could set you back $900. Can Tesla scale its robot quick enough to be less than $10,000 a pop? Doubt it. When Tesla announced the Tesla Bot project, it sounded like something the company could do by leveraging existing work and parts from their success in the self-driving technology. If they don't do it, someone else will. It certainly didn't sound like the number one priority for Tesla. Many saw it merely as a recruitment tool, as the automaker was trying to motivate its AI team to deliver its entire self-driving system. Today, Optimus is the number one priority, and Musk believes the first version of Optimus will be delivered next year. Does it mean that Elon is conquering the AI world? Musk believes Tesla could play a role in making artificial general intelligence, AGI, a reality with Optimus. While Tesla's AI director, Andrej Karpathy, believes Tesla Bot is on track to become the most powerful AI development platform, the project quickly rose from something Tesla might as well do to a world-changing endeavor. That's why we'll keep our eyes on the Optimus robot. But what do you think? Will Musk be able to deliver Optimus on time? Leave your opinion in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss an upload, and so you can enjoy the excellent content we send your way.